Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 72 Chevy Camaro. This comes from Tim in Platteville, Colorado. Tim has requested the modern internal conversion to restore full operation, wired to the original connectors so he doesn't get a big increase in output power, but output power is roughly equal to the original electronics when we use the original connectors. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I think I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so let's turn her on.
I don't think it's outlandish.
Okay, while we got on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate our balance and fader functions.
There are bioweapons being
okay, we're going to activate and adjust the front rear fader.
In mind.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
very
so now all the way front.
In a moment.
Front.
Show commercial.
We're center them. Turn your volume down a bit.
Fader
set. Okay, left, right, balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left, all the way right, left, right, and center down.
Talking about life insurance is never easy. Balance set.
Okay, and now I'm going to turn my tone control back up to where it sounds nice and crisp. Okay, let's go to FM. Now these radios drive me crazy because the leftmost button forces AM, the rightmost button forces FM, so there's no way you can preset 5 FM stations. You can only preset 4. This one you can only preset an AM station. So let's switch it over to FM. And this used to be, we don't need these anymore anyway. Now this used to indicate that there was a tape inserted. Now it's an FM stereo indicator. You see when we tune it off station, the stereo light goes up but the FM light stays on. So let's just go through all the presets. Okay, that one drifted a bit. Okay, so that takes care of that. Let's try the 8-track.
There are plenty of pebbles.
Okay, at the end of a song here, check our head alignment, and we have no crosstalk. Go ahead and move to the next song.
Now, it's a star-spangled world. Choo-choo train, a honey, you know that I know the answer to my friend. I give, it means wake up and live. One-way ticket to the blue.
Okay, now just to show you that the eject button works, I'm going to press it, and it will release the tape. But boy, oh boy, and I say this every time I demonstrate one of these radios, I don't recommend using the eject button. If you can pull the tape out by hand, that's better, because after 50 years or more of summer-winter cycles, these thin buttons become really, really brittle. And this eject button has a well, both the AM, FM, and eject buttons have a downward slant at the end. So if you're pushing it straight in, it's going to kind of want to go downward and could snap. So I really... you just have to be really super careful when you're pressing the AM, eject, and FM buttons. You have to be very careful to press them straight in and not let them go down at all. So let's go ahead and check the dial lighting, and you can see it peeking through the openings there, so the dial light's working correctly. So everything is working. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the description that's in the Please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. If you're serious about sending in your unit, you're going to have to fill one out anyway, so go ahead and make that the first step towards finding out my options and prices, which are also on the website, but on the work order they're all listed very neatly where you can easily pick your choices and stuff. So thanks so much for watching, listening, guys. Thank you, Tim, for your business all the way from Platteville, Colorado, and we'll see you all next time.